Hello, good morning to everyone. In the last class, we have to already finish question number up to question number 3 of 8.5. Today we will start question number 4 of 8.5. In question number 4 is given Nasreen bought 3 meter 20 centimeter cloth for shirt. So cloth bought for shirt how much? 3 meter 20 centimeter. And cloth bought for trouser how much? 2 meter 5 centimeter. We has to find that what is total length of cloth was bought by Nasreen. So first we will write cloth bought by shirt 3 meter 20 centimeter. For cloth bought for trouser 2 meter 5 centimeter. But we observe one thing, it is given in meter and it is in centimeter. So we have to either both in meter or both in centimeter. So we will change both in meter. So how will we change? Everyone know 3 meter plus 20 centimeter. So it is already meter. No need to change. So 20 centimeter. How will we change in meter? Everyone know 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, but we want to change centimeter. So first find value of 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100. 2 centimeter 2 by 100. 3 centimeter 3 by 100. And 20 centimeter 20 by 100 meter. In last class we already do. Yes. So what we can write? 3 plus how many zero in denominator? 2. So it means after decimal how many digit? 2. So 0.20. So what is 3 plus 2? 0.20. 3.2 centimeter. So it is, you can write 3.2 centimeter. Understand it? Like this one, for we will change in meter or centimeter, then we will write. Okay. Same as it is 2 meter 5 centimeter. So 2 meter plus 5 centimeter. You can do this one in rough. Okay. So 2 meter plus 5 centimeter. 2 meter. And how will 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. 2 centimeter equal to 2 by 100. But 5 centimeter 5 by 100 meter. Meter. So 2 plus how many zero in denominator? 2. So it means after decimal 2 digit. So first we will start first digit and now, but in numerator is only 1 digit. So 1 we will add a 0. So 0.0. So what is 2.05? So what is 2 point, and always one thing is remember, we will write one's value in one line, decimal in one line. So 2.05 centimeter. So it is our answer. So total length of the cloth bought by him, how much? We will add. So 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 0, 2. Now decimal. 3 plus 2, 5. So total length how much bought by him? So how much bought? 5.25 centimeter. It is your answer. Understand it? Otherwise you can write in next line also. Total length of cloth is 5.25 centimeter. Understand it? So it is very easy question. You can do yourself. Okay. Next is question number 5. You will write yourself. Okay. Because in question is given Naresh walked 2 kilometer and 35 meter in the morning. Okay. And evening how much? In evening time 1 kilometer 7 meter. So how much distance did he walk in all? So first how will write the distance covered by Naresh in morning, this one. Distance covered by Naresh in evening, this one. And how will we change? So it's mean it is kilometer, it is in meter. So both we will change in kilometer or meter. Everyone know 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Yesterday I told you. And 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So it is already given in kilometer, it's okay. Now 35. 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000. 2 meter equal to 2 by 1000. And 35 divided by this one. So it is 2.2 plus. How? Yes. How many zero? So you can write. So 2 plus. How many zero in denominator? 3. So after decimal 3 digit. 0 and 3, 5. So you can add, and same as it is, you will convert this one and we will add both of them. So do yourself, this question is very easy, okay? Next is question number is, now we will do question number 6, okay? Question number 7, okay? 6 and 7 both are same question, okay? You can do, I think, yourself also. Otherwise, we are doing 6, okay? 7th question, do yourself. It's okay. Yes, 6th question is given in meter. Meter question we already finished. Now, in the 7th question is given kilogram and gram. So, we will use. Ravi purchased 5 kg 400 gram rice. So, rice. Rice purchased by Ravi. Rice purchased by Ravi. How much? 4 kg 400 gram. Next is, not, it is 5 kg, sorry. 5 kg. Same as it is. Two more things. Sugar and flour. So sugar purchased by Ravi. How much? It is given 2 kg. 2 kg 20 gram. Yes, very good. Next is flour. Flour purchased by Ravi. How much? It is given 10 kg 850 gram. So we have to find the total weight. Right? Total weight purchased by Ravi. How will you find? Same as it means all three we have to add, but we observe one thing, it is in kg, it is in gram, so we will change in all in kilogram. So how will you change? So 5 kg plus 400 gram. It is already given in kg, no need to change this one, but we know 1 kg equal to 1000 gram and 1 gram equal to 1 by 1000 kg. And tell me, it is 5 plus, it is already given in kg. Now we will change in kg 400 gram. 1 gram 1 by 1000, 2 gram 2 by 1000, 3 gram 3 by 1000 and 400 divided by 400. So what is? You can write 5. How many 0 in denominator? 3. So after decimal there is 3 digits. 400. So what is become? It is become 5.000 and it is kilogram. Understand it? Same as it is. Can you add this one 2 kg 20 gram? Yes. 2 kg plus 20 gram. So 2 kg already in kg plus 20 gram mean how many kilogram? 20 divided by 1000. So 2 plus how many 0 in denominator? 3. So after decimal how many digit? 0. 3 digit. So 1 is 0 and 2 and 0. Okay? Because 20 given and now 1 0. So what is become? It is 2.020. Understand? It is. So it is become 2.02 kilogram. Same as it is. Can we change this one also? 10 kg. So it is become, I am writing direct. You will do it. 10. Decimal always in same line. One's value same line. 10th value in same line. So 850 kg. So total weight 0, 100, 0, 1000. 5 plus 2, 7. 8 plus 4, 12. 1 is carry. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So how much? So 18.270 kilogram. The total weight was purchased by Ravi. Understand it? So our 8.5 exercise is already finished. We have to remember only some formulas. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So you have to remember this one. Okay. Next is 8.6. Very easy exercise. Same as it is. First we have to subtract. Only one part I will solve it. Rest of do yourself. Okay. Understand? So we will do which one question? First is 12, 18.75, 25. Sorry, it is 25 from 20.7 rupees. So we have to subtract this one from 20.7. So 20.75. Always write ones well in same line, 10th in same line, and 100th in same line. So 18.25. So now subtract it. We have to subtract. Now 5 minus 5 is 0. 7 minus 2, 5. Now this 0 is smaller than 8. So 1 is carried from here. So it is 10. 10 minus 8, 2. So how much remain here? 1. 1 minus 0, 0. So what is 2.50? Understand it? Rest of part do yourself. Okay. Next is second question. Second question, find the value of this one. So D part. What is 11.6 minus 9.847. So what we will do? So 11.6. So 9 always once. It is one's value. 9.847. So subtract. Otherwise you can subtract directly also. Okay. And but here no number. So you can write 0 in place of this one. Now 0 is smaller than 7. So 1 carry from here. Here is 0. So we will take 1 carry. It is from. So how much? It is 10 minus 7, 3. Everyone know. It is become remain 9. 9 minus 4, 5. And here is remain 5. 5 is also smaller than 8. So 1 is carried from the one's place. So it is 15 minus 8, 7. It is remain 10, 0. So again 0. So 10 minus 9. It is become 10 minus 9, 1. So what is remain? 1.750. Understand it? So you can do yourself this one. Okay. Second question also very easy questions. Now only 5 more question is left of this one 8.6. Okay. So now question number 3. Very easy exercise. In 8.5 is given only addition and here is given subtraction. So what is given? Raju bought a book for 35.6 rupees. Okay. He gave 50 rupees to the shopkeeper. So how much amount given to shopkeeper? Right? Amount given to shopkeeper. How much amount is given? Is 50 rupees. How much? 50 rupees. And Raju bought a book. So right, bought a book how much? So right, book bought by Raju in how much rupees? 35.65 rupees. Tell me, you have 50 rupees and you bought a book 35 rupees. So how much rupees is remain? So total rupees minus cost of book. Understand? So we have to find how much money did he get back from the shopkeeper. So amount get by shopkeeper. How much amount he will get? Okay, amount get by shopkeeper. So how much? So 50 minus 35.65. Either you can subtract directly, otherwise 50 and it is 1's value 5, it is 3. Now decimal 6 5. So it is minus, and decimal if is not digit we can add 0. So 10 minus 5 5, 9 minus 6 3, 9 minus 5 4, 4 minus 3. So how much rupees he get? So he will get 14.35 rupees. Now we only subtract it. Understand it? So easy questions. Okay. Next is, note down it. Okay. Next is question number 5. Fourth question you have to write yourself. Tina had 20 meter 5 centimeter long cloth. Okay. How much long cloth? Right. Total length of cloth. How much? Tina had how much? 20 meter 5 centimeter. Next is, she cut 4 meter 50 centimeter length of cloth from this making of a curtain. So right, length, you can write cut the length of cloth for curtain. How much? It was cut how much? For the curtain how much cut? 4 meter 50 centimeter. So how much cloth she left with her? Tell me. It is very simple. It is a cloth. Okay. Its length is 10 centimeter, 10 meter, and you cut from here 2 meter. So how much remain? So total minus how much you cut? 10 minus 2, 8. So same as it is. Here we will subtract. But if you want to subtract, so first we have to change in. It is meter in centimeter. So either both are in meter or centimeter. How will you change? So 20 meter plus 5 centimeter. It is already in meter. So 1 meter equal to, everyone know, 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. So tell me, 1 centimeter 1 by 100, 2 centimeter 2 by 100, 3 centimeter 3 by 100. Same as it is 20 meter plus 5 centimeter 5 by 100 meter. So 20 plus how many 0 in denominator? 2. So after decimal 2 digit 0 and 5. So 0 add. So 20.05. So you can write what is length. So its length is 20.05. Okay. It is in meter. Same as it is. Can you change this one? It is become, I am writing direct. Okay. It is become 4 meter 50 centimeter. It is become 4.50 meter. Understand? Now we have to find how much length of the cloth is left. So write length of cloth is left. How much is left? So we have to subtract. So 20.05 minus 4.50. Either you can subtract directly, otherwise you can subtract like this one. So 4.50. 5 minus 0, 5. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 4, 5. And what is? So 15.55 meter is left. It is your answer. Very easy questions. Okay. All questions are very easy. Only now you have to subtract. Okay. Next is last question of this exercise, of this chapter also. Okay. So what is question number 7? Question number 7. Akash bought vegetable weighing 10 kg. So write total weight of vegetables bought by Akash. How much? Total weight how much? He 10 kg. Akash bought 10 kg of vegetables. Okay, but out of this, onion is 3 kg. So write weight of onion. How much? 3 kg 500 gram. Understand it? Same as it is weight of tomato. Weight of tomatoes is 2 kg 75 gram. But and rest is potatoes, and he bought 3 vegetables: onion, tomato and potatoes. But rest is potato. What is the weight of potatoes? It is very simple. Total vegetables is 10 kg. Suppose 2 kg tomato, 3 kg onion. So how much is potato? So 10 minus total weight of tomato and onion. 2 plus 3 5. Suppose it is 4. Okay, it is 5. Okay, you can write. So how much is potato? 2 plus 5 7. So how much remain? Only 3. So 2 plus 5. So 10 minus total weight of onion and tomatoes. Okay, so first we will write total weight of tomato and onion. It is in kg, it is in gram. So first we will change in either gram or kilogram. So direct I am writing. We already do many questions. So it is become 3.500 gram. It is become 2.075 gram. Understand it? So now to write total weight of tomatoes and onion. How much total weight you will add? So 5, 7, 5.5 gram. Not is gram, it is kg. Okay. Now we have to find what is the weight of potato. So right, weight of potatoes. Weight of potatoes is 10 minus this one 5.575. Either you can subtract like this one, otherwise you can subtract 10. It is one's value 5.575 and subtract. So decimal in same line 0 0 0. 10 minus 5 5. Here is remain 9. 9 minus 7 9 minus 7 2. 9 minus 4 9 minus 5 4. 9 minus 5 4. Understand it? So you can write it. No? 10 9. Yes. So it is our answer. So how much weight of potatoes? 4.425. Okay. So this our chapter is finished. Till now we already have finished 2 chapters. Chapter number 7 and chapter number 8. So if you have any problem, so we will take problem on Saturday. You can ask me. Okay. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Good day.